Welcome back. Digital bank startup Greenwood wants to help close the racial wealth gap. It aims to provide financial services for Black and Latinx customers. Greenwood raised $40 million from some of the nation's largest banks in its Series A, including Truist, Bank of America, PNC, JP Morgan Chase, Wells Fargo, MasterCard and Visa. Joining us now in a Squawk exclusive is Greenwood co-founder and chairman Ryan Glover. Very good to see you. Thanks for joining us.
Morning, Wilf. How are you?
Very well, thank you. Very well. Who exactly is the target customer? Because clearly with some of those backers, one wonders whether those banks could have done something of this ilk themselves. So the target customers, people that they're not reaching?
Sure. So just to be clear, Greenwood is a fintech neobank that provides digital banking services to the culture. Our target is the African-American community, the Latinx community, and allies. Well, this summer, we will release our first product, be a digital depository and savings product, full service banking in your hand, Apple and Android Pay, global ATM networks, 2-day early pay, peer-to-peer transfers. So yes, we're targeting the African-American Latinx community, along with some of the top financial institutions in the country that have helped us raise Series A capital to the tune of $40 million Series A funding.
And why do you think you will be able to connect with those customers better than those big banks that have partly invested in you?
Well, to be clear with you, this multi-generational wealth gap problem will take an all hands on deck solution. So it'll take collaboration from the community to advance racial equality and financial empowerment. So we're really fortunate to have Truist Ventures that led the round, along with other banks and financial service providers to join forces with us to help solve this problem. So we're clear, our mission is simple, to create non-predatory lending products, to help recirculate capital into the community, and to provide banking capital to deserving borrowers. You know as well as I do that the Black and Latinx community disproportionately has not had access to building capital, building wealth like in other communities. So we plan to work hard to change that narrative within our Black and brown communities.
Are you powered by your own tech that you've developed or by that of some of the banks and other partners that have invested in you?
So we're powered by our own tech. We have dev shops that we are working with. And as I mentioned, we are launching a debit and spending product this summer. And then we will roll into lending products, credit products, and investment products in 2022.
And you've raised $40 million of equity so far. Is that right? How about more capital needed once you fully launch?
So, yeah, happy to announce we've raised $40 million Series A round in funding. Just so you know, that round of funding represents more than just the amount of money raised. But it's truly a testament to the mosaic of investment partners who are collaborating with us to solve this generational financial problem in the African-American and Latinx community. With this funding, we will continue our mission of providing financial empowerment to the underserved communities, racial equality and financial services, and have a greater amount of resource to deliver world-class banking services to our customers. So we feel we are well capitalized to reach our goals.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.